Question 25. I want to show the colour of year 5 pupils' eyes. What type of chart or graph is the best to show this information? Well, the first thing you'd have to do with this is you'd have to do a survey, and you'd probably do that with a tally chart. You'd probably have your main colours, so like blue, green, brown. Some people say hazel or grey. And you'd probably just go around asking everybody in year 5, doing a tally chart. So you might have somebody who's blue, next person's brown, next person's green, next person's blue, next person's grey, next person's blue, next person's brown, grey. Remember, when you do a tally chart, you group 5s together so you can count up in 5s at the end. And once you've collected that information, you find the frequency. And the frequency is just how many tallies. So once you've asked the whole of year 5, you might find that 57 people were blue, 32 were green, 41 were brown, and 17 were grey. And then what you do then is you would take these numbers and you could either do a bar chart or a pie chart. Now, with a bar chart, that shows you just how many people would have each colour of eyes. Or a pie chart would show you like the percentage of people, of the percentage of the total of year 5 that would have each colour. So like, for example, if half of year 5 had blue, then that would be half of the section on the pie chart. If a quarter had brown, then that would be a quarter of the section on the pie chart. So depends really on whether you want to see each number in relation to the total, go for a pie chart. If you just want to see how big each bar is, just go for a bar chart. Either of those two would be correct way of doing it. Pie chart is slightly harder to draw, especially if the numbers don't work out exact as halves and quarters of the total. Bar chart would be easier to draw.